Infoblox Universal DDI for Microsoft Management brings on-premises Microsoft DNS and DHCP into the same SaaS platform that powers hybrid and multi-cloud networks. With a lightweight, native agent and bidirectional sync, you can manage Microsoft services in place while gaining centralized cloud-native control, visibility, and enriched context. This simplifies operations, reduces risk, and drives measurable savings. In this video, we'll show you how the integration works and why it matters to your business. Organizations running Microsoft DNS and DHCP as Windows Server roles tied to Active Directory domain services face escalating challenges. Server-bound tools create silos, forcing administrators to manage each environment in isolation. Tight coupling with AD adds complexity and split ownership. Microsoft admins manage servers while network teams own service delivery, creating gaps and inconsistent change control, making automation risky and troubleshooting slower. Fragmented workflows, multiple logins, brittle scripts add technical debt, waste skilled staff time, and drive up operational costs. At the same time, forgotten DNS records expose systems to cyber threats, and siloed NetOps, CloudOps, and SecOps lack a single source of truth, delaying remediation and complicating compliance. As hybrid and multi-cloud initiatives expand, these issues limit scalability, hamper adaptability, and increase operational risk, especially across distributed sites. Infoblox Universal DDI for Microsoft Management addresses these challenges by extending the Universal DDI platform to Microsoft environments. With a lightweight native agent and a bidirectional sync, Microsoft DNS and DHCP can be managed in place. No rip and replace required. Administrators gain a single API and dashboard to unify control across hybrid and multi-cloud, with consistent policy enforcement that reduces errors and accelerates deployments. Beyond operational efficiency, this integration enriches network and security data with Microsoft user and device context, giving SecOps teams stronger visibility and faster incident response. The result is simplified workflows, reduced overhead, stronger security posture, and the agility to modernize Microsoft services at your own pace, all within the same Universal DDI platform that powers enterprise-wide network services. We'll start on the Microsoft server, where a lightweight agent is installed. The agent automatically syncs Microsoft DNS, DHCP, and user data into Universal DDI, so admins have current objects ready to manage, no manual exports. We're installing the Universal DDI agent on a Windows member server, not a domain controller. The agent runs under a scoped least privileged service account, so domain admin rights aren't required for standard operations. This aligns with security best practices while keeping Microsoft DNS and DHCP managed in place. After the installation of the agent, the Infoblox portal enables management of all your Microsoft-based DNS and DHCP services. Please note that with the current iteration of the Universal DDI agent, only one of the following use cases may be configured per instance of Universal DDI agent. For the full Infoblox and Windows Server integration, 4 agents are required. Throughout this video, note the icons associated with the platforms integrated with Infoblox Universal DDI. Any object with the Windows icon is authoritatively hosted by Microsoft Server. First, let's take a look at DNS. Administrators can make DNS changes directly, create, edit, or remove records, and manage zones, all in one interface. Centralizing DNS actions shortens change cycles and reduces errors from per-server updates. Next, let's look at DHCP. DHCP objects can also be created, read, updated, or deleted from the same console. Managing scopes centrally replaces one-off logins and scripts, improving consistency across sites. Because DNS and DHCP are managed from a single interface, teams avoid hopping between Microsoft servers and tools. This simplifies workflows, reduces overhead, and helps NetOps and Microsoft admins move faster together. This integration goes even further. Infoblox Asset Insights benefits from the agent, which populates asset insights with assets and user data pulled directly from Microsoft environments. This agent also enriches threat defense with Microsoft user data. This adds context that helps SecOps trace activity faster and tightens response times when incidents occur. Infoblox Universal DDI for Microsoft Management delivers more than an integration. It extends Universal DDI to Microsoft DNS and DHCP with a lightweight native agent, bidirectional synchronization, and role-based administration. You gain centralized cloud-native control and visibility while coexisting with current infrastructure, reducing risk and enabling modernization at your pace. Thanks for watching.